bothering you?
Nope, just wondering what you're doing.
Okay, this is the deal. I got word that there's some FPV people infiltrating my park. So I'm here to investigate. I'm going to bring you along. We're going to see if we can break in and disrupt this party. Because who knows what kind of shenanigans these people are getting into. You know, all these FPV people, if you listen to the FAA, they're all dangerous. And they need to be stopped. So, I am here to do my duty. I'm going to bring you along. So let's go. So as I get closer, I can hear the sound of screeching props. That is the telltale sign of the dangerous FPV individual. I can hear that they're here. We're getting closer to our goal. I heard all this commotion. I was just curious to see what was going on.
Yeah, just out here doing a little practice.
Oh yeah?
How you doing?
Good.
Name's Mike.
Eugene.
Eugene? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah, just out here getting some practice in today.
Hey, what's up?
What's up, man?
I ain't seen you in a minute.
Nice to come out, man. How you doing? Doing great. Heard you guys are out here. What's your FPV name?
Desert Rat?
Desert Rat?
Yeah. It's one thing when I first started flying, you know, just trees and all that, and the first time I actually tried to pilot a gate, it's like, oh my gosh, you have to actually put it where it needs to be.
Yeah. This was cool seeing a track at my park. I really wish I was in the air right now. What does this mean? Go over there? On the far end of the track, there's an arrow that points to the gap.
Yes.
Does that mean you hit the gap and then come down over there?
Into the drop gate.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
This seems like fun.
We're a little.
Yeah.
I know that look.
So like it takes it.
Yeah, you ever seen a $10,000 drum before?
No, not in person.
Now you have.
There's the puppy. There's the new puppy. I've been seeing you online.
We're shy now.
Oh.
Well done.
Oh.
With any luck, I'm gonna start building my GoPro cameras shaped like tennis balls, and I'm gonna have a pet puppy.
Nice.
Cat likes to eat my harnesses.
She's like, nope.
She's like, I'm still shy.
Yeah.
Daddy's been taking pictures and posting them all over the freaking place.
As soon as I pushed in a little, she's like, no, no, no.
Oh, she don't mind the quads, but she don't like that truck, huh? Smile, you're on camera. Oh, yeah.
Nice. So it's 1, 2, 3. Technically 4. Hey, what's going on here?
It's just a go session with an extra battery.
Oh, nice. Oh, I'm Eugene, by the way.
I'm Terry.
Terry, nice to
I work
meet
at
you.
Samsung too.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Which department?
Because we're in the trees, and usually people aren't in the trees, so I love it. To me, it's like it really is like Speed Racers in Star Wars when you get into the trees and you're zipping around.
Yeah, I kind of feel like I was in the middle of a Star Wars movie.
And I used to want a car race.
Yeah.
But car, well, I mean,
It's
seriously,
safer.
$20,000 to buy a car and to crash it
Just to get
versus
no.
these cost me like $250 for the drone. So even if I catch it on fire and break every part, I'm out $250, and I don't get injured. So
This guy actually designs drones as well.
yeah. This one here I designed. Those two down here in the pile I designed.
You're on Mike's channel.
So yeah, Mike and I go to races in Dallas and Houston and Temple and San Antonio too. So races.
How are you
in
guys
those
doing?
areas
Are you
were-
winning?
Oh,
There's
You're
the good
improving.
days,
We're
there's the bad
improving.
days.
Well, that's why we
the
practice.
days where you're wondering why I even do this.
So this is another pretty normal part of the whole FPV experience. You know, you look at videos, it might seem like it's all just flying and fun, but recovery and crashing and searching, that's a part of the hobby that we all know all too well.
Says you. Live oak, baby. Ready?
Yep. right hand.
Ah!
Oh.
Thank you, sir.
Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's not that easy.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Or they don't, they
I've
tweak
been
very
trying to
easily.
figure out how to film these races. That's what I've been busting my brain trying to figure out.
All right, timer on,
Everything
Mike.
from 360.
Should
I
still
bought
be
little
about
square cameras. I was hooking them all the gates, so when you fly through, I could actually follow the race like you do on TV.
Nice.
And 360,
I'll
we
try
got
to
night
break that
vision. I got
51.
120 watt
Do it.
LED floodlights. We lit up this whole park one night.
Really?
Me and him and flew at night just to see
man.
if we could do it.
That would have been nice to see.
Yeah, I got videos. Of
I hear a squeaky
Yeah,
pop already,
definitely.
Mike.
So you're a video enthusiast as well?
Yeah, that's my passion. When he first came here, we were sitting here. We were sitting on, we were over there on the picnic table. He come around here and he flew in the trees. I was wearing the goggles, but he was flying.
Yeah.
And I fell off the picnic table because he was going. He didn't expect to go in the trees, but he made it through. And I go, we got to do this again.
Nice.
So I made these holes smaller, so they're tighter on the screw, and then I added half a mil on each in the inside of each of these arms, and it's super tight now.
Yeah.
But even
When
then,
did
it's
that go? A year?
frickin'.
Gotta be over a year.
Yeah, like year and a half.
he's got to tighten
He
this up
sent me
with
an
his
email. He
wrench.
goes, how do you like the bag? I said, I don't know. I like the box really a lot. I answer the phone. Tell Terry speaking. Tell Terry speaking. So when they're talking in the fab, so the guy, the foreman, whoever, the supervisor say, tell Terry to get up here and fix this tool. So they phone me and I go, tell Terry speaking. So they've been calling me Tell Terry for 10 years.
Yeah.
I just caught on a few months ago. I'm like, what are you talking, Tell Terry? What are you?
Yeah, I think you guys showed me the first pair of goggles I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Hit you guys that one day. I was like, whoa, you
guys got goggles!
Holy
I
shit.
remember that. We were discovering everything as we were so behind.
I think I've had like 8
It suits my
broken
style of
remix
flying.
arms.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, that's why I started switching, because I started racing with the floss frames because, like everybody had them, they were cheap, it was easy to get parts for, so I started with the floss. And by I think my 4th or 5th race, I had already gone through almost 10 or 12 floss
One
arms
camera I didn't use.
just from delamming and braking.
Yeah.
And ever since I went to the Gankman frame and to the Sky Ready Cobra frames, I've lost 2 arms in, I can't even count how many packs
Yeah,
of races.
So your
my
flying
remix
hasn't
I've
improved
rebuilt
then.
with like every part.
Spoiled. You're spoiled.
They're supposed to be.
Puppies.
Oh no.
No, it's even worse. He's like, he came home and he's on top of the table. He had jumped on the table to eat something, and the table's wobbling, so he couldn't even move. Because every time he would
He's
move,
out
the
like
table
this.
would wobble. And he's just.
He gets down, I come back 5 minutes later. He's on her again.
And then his other dog Buffy's sitting in the chair looking at him like, look at that paw. No, he rescued Chip. Chip's a really cool dog, but he's not very smart.
Going after the
Gene's awesome pilot.
I'm okay.
Oh, come on. He's crazy. He's a sponsored pilot. He's really good. He likes to fly through these trees down here a lot, too. So.
Yeah.
So he's got his own YouTube channel. What do you got, like 600, 1,000 followers or something silly like that?
No, not quite. 745.
745. And is it just Gene or
It's
GUFPV?
Yeah.
GEE?
and then
YOU.
YOU FPV.
Actually, just changed the name, but you'll still find it under the old name.
What's the new name?
Free.
Free?
Yeah.
FREE?
Yeah.
2 E's or?
2 E's.
Okay.
That's literally what GU means. So, yeah.
Nice. What's the breakdown? Or what's GU from?
Japanese.